Creatine is a natural substance found in our muscles. It plays a crucial role in providing energy for muscle contractions. Think of creatine as the fuel that powers your workouts, enabling you to lift heavier and train harder. It's no wonder that creatine is one of the most popular and well-researched supplements in the fitness world. Athletes and bodybuilders alike have experienced remarkable results with creatine supplementation. Creatine is naturally produced in the body and found in small amounts in certain foods like meat and fish. However, supplementing with creatine can significantly increase its concentration in your muscles. This readily available energy source allows you to perform more repetitions and recover faster between sets. Creatine monohydrate is the most common and well-studied form of creatine. Its effectiveness, affordability, and wide availability make it the go-to choice for most individuals. Creatine is best known for its muscle-building prowess, making it a staple in the fitness community. By increasing the availability of phosphocreatine in your muscles, creatine enhances your body's ability to produce explosive power during high-intensity exercise. This means you can push through those last few reps with more force and energy. This translates to heavier lifts, more reps, and increased muscle fiber recruitment, which are crucial for muscle growth and strength development. Numerous studies have consistently shown that creatine supplementation results in significant increases in lean muscle mass and strength gains. These gains are not just for bodybuilders, but for anyone looking to improve their physical performance. Beyond its muscle-building effects, creatine also offers a range of other benefits that can enhance your overall workout experience. It enhances your body's ability to recover between sets, allowing you to train harder and more frequently. Faster recovery means less downtime and more gains. Creatine also increases cell volumization, drawing water into your muscle cells, which contributes to that full muscular look. This not only makes your muscles appear larger but also supports their function. Moreover, creatine has been shown to improve anaerobic endurance, allowing you to push harder and longer during high-intensity workouts. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes involved in sports that require short bursts of energy. Whether you're striving for peak athletic performance or simply seeking to improve your overall fitness, creatine's multifaceted benefits make it a valuable addition to your supplement arsenal. Its versatility and effectiveness are why it's one of the most researched and trusted supplements in the fitness world. To experience the full benefits of creatine, it's common to start with a loading phase. This initial phase is designed to quickly elevate the levels of creatine in your muscles. This involves consuming a higher dose of creatine for a short period, typically 5 to 7 days, to rapidly saturate your muscles. By doing so, you can start experiencing the benefits of creatine more quickly. The loading phase helps to quickly elevate creatine levels in your muscles. During the loading phase, the standard protocol is to consume approximately 20 grams of creatine monohydrate per day, divided into 4 equal doses of 5 grams each. This ensures that your body can absorb the creatine more efficiently. It's crucial to spread out the doses evenly throughout the day to maximize absorption. While some individuals may experience slight bloating or water retention during the loading phase, these effects are generally mild and subside once you transition into the maintenance phase. The maintenance phase involves a lower daily dose. Remember to stay adequately hydrated throughout the loading period by drinking plenty of water. Hydration helps in the effective utilization of creatine. While the loading phase can accelerate the saturation of creatine in your muscles, it's not strictly necessary for everyone. Some people may prefer to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it. Consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional to determine the best approach for you. Personalized advice can help you achieve optimal results. Section 4. Maintaining momentum, sustaining creatine levels. After completing the loading phase, you'll transition into the maintenance phase, which involves consuming a lower daily dosage of creatine to maintain optimal levels in your muscles. This phase is essential to ensure that the benefits you gained during the loading phase are not lost, and that your muscles continue to perform at their best. This phase is crucial for sustaining the benefits you've gained during the loading period. By maintaining a consistent intake, you help your muscles stay saturated with creatine, which supports ongoing strength and endurance improvements. The recommended daily dosage of creatine during the maintenance phase is typically 3 to 5 grams. It's important to follow the dosage instructions on your supplement to avoid any potential side effects. Consistency is key during the maintenance phase. Setting a daily routine can help you remember to take your supplement and ensure that you don't miss a dose. Strive to consume your creatine dosage at the same time each day to maintain stable levels in your system. This regularity helps your body adapt and make the most out of the supplement. While some individuals choose to take their creatine pre-workout, others find that taking it post-workout or at any other convenient time works best for them. The key is to find a time that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. The duration of the maintenance phase is flexible and can vary based on your individual goals and preferences. Some may choose to continue for several months, while others might adjust based on their training cycles. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. It's always best to seek advice to ensure your supplementation is safe and effective. Section 5. Timing is key maximizing creatine absorption. While creatine can be taken at any time of day, research suggests that certain timings may optimize its absorption and utilization by your muscles. Many experts recommend taking creatine post-workout with a carbohydrate-rich meal or shake. This is because exercise increases insulin sensitivity, which can enhance the uptake of creatine into your muscle cells. By consuming creatine with carbohydrates, you provide your body with the necessary insulin spike to maximize its absorption. Another effective strategy is to take creatine pre-workout with a pre-workout meal or shake that includes carbohydrates and protein. The combination of carbohydrates, protein, and creatine can create an anabolic environment that supports muscle growth and recovery. Experiment with different timings and find what works best for your body and training schedule. Section 6. Debunking myths, separating fact from fiction. Despite its proven safety and efficacy, creatine has been surrounded by myths and misconceptions. One common myth is that creatine causes kidney damage. However, numerous studies have debunked this claim, showing that creatine supplementation does not adversely affect kidney function in healthy individuals. Another misconception is that creatine causes bloating and water retention. While it's true that creatine can draw water into your muscle cells, this is a temporary effect and does not result in subcutaneous water retention. Some people believe that creatine is only beneficial for athletes and bodybuilders. However, creatine can benefit anyone looking to enhance their fitness levels, improve body composition, or support overall health and well-being. Section 7. Power up your potential. Embrace the creatine advantage. Creatine is a safe, effective, and affordable supplement that can significantly enhance your muscle growth and athletic performance. By increasing phosphocreatine levels in your muscles, creatine provides the fuel for explosive power, enhanced recovery, and increased muscle protein synthesis. Whether you're a seasoned athlete aiming to break through plateaus or a fitness enthusiast looking to maximize your gains, creatine can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. Incorporate creatine into your fitness regimen strategically. Start with a loading phase to rapidly saturate your muscles, followed by a maintenance phase to sustain optimal levels. Debunk the myths and embrace the science-backed benefits of creatine supplementation. Embrace the power of creatine and unlock your full muscle-building potential.